What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Stellar Blade on your PC. So what we will do, we will open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we can search up the Steam website, and after that we will continue to another website to download this game. So what we will do is go to the Steam website, after that go to the search bar and search for the game Stellar Blade. Now, search for it. As you can see, we can open the game over here and you need to enter your date of birth. Now what we will do, select one and then view page, scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is currently €69.99. Very expensive, but don't worry, we got a workaround for you. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here, and after that you will be redirected to this webpage. Now, what we will do is search up the same game, Stellar Blade, and then select games on the left side, then sort by and then select price lowest first, and now you will find a PC version. As you can see, we have the PC version over here and we can select it. After that you will find out that this game is available for just €37.49 compared to the price on Steam itself of €69.99. So this will definitely save you a lot of money. But always make sure this game can be activated in your country, so make sure this is okay, and also the platform which you are going to use to download the game. We would like to use the Steam platform, it's the most convenient way. So what we will do, we will purchase this game and after that we will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC through Steam. And save yourself of course a lot of money. And that is how we download Stellar Blade on our PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!